Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer. Doing another video today. Today's video, you just bought the Galaxy S10 Plus. You want to know how easy it is to set up. How does that in-display fingerprint work? How easy is it to set up and how quick it is? Stay tuned to this video. I will show you that. Let's get this going. Alright, so the first thing it says, let's go. So I'm gonna go. Right here it says, bring your old data for quicker setup. I'm going to skip this for now. Let me put in my Wi-Fi password. Okay. So once you do that, you hit next. Yes, it's checking for updates. Look at that pinhole, double hole notch at the top. Oh, I called it a notch. Let me put in my passwords. All right, so it says, get an account info. I'm going to do a backup. Okay, maybe I'm going to skip that. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to not restore anything. Alright, it says protect your phone, prevent others from using it. I want to do fingerprint. It's going to tell me to set up a pattern. Alright, so it says place your finger on the sensor and then lift it off once you feel a vibration. Okay, let me hold the phone. This is taking a while. Alright, so I'm going to add my other thumb. It's telling you to press. Alright, so here's some more Google stuff. I'm going to skip this too. I just want to see this beautiful display. Says I'm all done. Look at that display. Bam. What y'all think about those icons? Are they a little big? I don't know. Swipe down, look at that. I'm going to try to do the Face ID really quick. So bam, you can see the options right there too. When you unlock your face, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. I'm actually going to turn that off. Turn off fast recognition too. So, the things we want to test out really quick. Fingerprint. That was pretty quick. Oh, is it? What y'all think? So let's try the Face ID. The Face ID is fast. Y'all see that? Watch. Bam, that's pretty fast for a phone. I'm liking that a lot. What I'm going to do now is pause the video, come back and give you my first impressions on it. I'm going to go use the phone for a little bit, so I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I want to give you my first impressions. I've been using the phone for a few hours now. I just want to give you what I think about the device. I test out the cameras, the speakers, and everything else. I just want to give you my opinions on it so far. When you get it, let me know your opinions in the comments below. The first thing I want to touch on is the One UI. People are complaining about the icons. They look cartoonish. They're big. Now, if you go here, yes, they look kind of cartoonish. Yes, they're a little bit bigger than what you like. You can actually minimize them some. It won't take away the cartoonish of it, but I don't think it's as bad as what people are saying. I guess I'm kind of used to it with LG's launcher and stuff because their icons almost look like the same. I can get past it, especially look at the home page. Yes, I set up my favorite clock widget. I need to do another video because people are always asking about the clock widget. The speakers on this phone sound amazing. Stay tuned. I will do a speaker battle comparison with my LG V40. So that way we can see which one has the best speakers. But the stereo speakers on this thing is just amazing. The cameras, the wide angle on this one, again, people will love it. The nice thing that Samsung does that LG took away is when you filming something in 1080p, 60 frames, anything, you can switch between the lenses without stopping the video. So I can go from the regular lens to the wide angle lens and I don't have to stop the video. That is dope. That is great. I'm glad Samsung actually kept that because LG had it at one point, but they took it away. So shout out to Samsung for actually keeping that, and I love it. It's great. The cameras seem really good. I'm going to do a test on the cameras too, just to see what we can get. I'm digging the wide angle lens. Now, one thing I do want to show you, let's see, Geekbench scores. Where's my Geekbench? All right, so I ran Geekbench earlier just to test it out. Look at that score. I had to take a double look. 3530 as a single core. That's pretty awesome. Wait until you see this benchmark score. The 855 processor is kicking butt. 358,725. I don't remember what Apple's score was when I did it last year, but that is pretty good to me. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments. Overall, the last couple hours with the phone has been really good. I have been using the power share, charging up my LG V40 and my G7 with it, so it's pretty cool. Stay tuned. I will have some more footage on that also coming up. I have cases coming up. I have case videos coming too for y'all, just in case you want to protect your beautiful device. I also will have a tip video coming up because there's some things that you want to do once you get this device also. But so far, so good. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up on the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.